Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss about how to install Power BI Desktop on Windows 10. So now I will guide you how to install Power BI on your desktop, on your PC. So now first of all, go to Chrome, whichever you are using, which Chrome or Edge, which one you are using. Go to that browser and just type Power BI. The first one only, powerbi.microsoft.com. This is a Microsoft website. This is so data visualization on Microsoft Power BI. Just click on this link and you will redirect to the another page. Here just click on products, and here Power BI Desktop is a free version. Rest of all the products are paid versions. Power BI Pro, Power BI Premium, and Power BI Mobile, Power BI Embedded, Power BI Report Server. So now in this video we are going to install. We are going to see how to install Power BI Desktop. So just click on Power BI Desktop and then download. Here we have two options: download free, and another one is see download or language options. Just click on see download or language options. Then you will go and read it to the another page. Then select the language here, and here Power BI is available in so many languages. Like here you can see Hungary, Hindi, Greek, which language you want. Then select that language from the select language, and then uh, just click on download. Here select the bit which one your system supports. I think maximum everyone using, I think most of the people are using 64-bit only. So click on the 64-bit and then click on the next. Then automatically uh, the Power BI setup is downloaded in your downloads. Then after that, then just click on that Power BI setup. Then after that, just allow to everything and allow to install in your system. Because why I'm not clicking on this here, because already I have installed that Power BI app in my PC. That's why I'm not going to the next. I'm not clicking on next. Otherwise, I don't have any issues. But after clicking the next, you will download 350 361.7 MB is downloaded in your system. Then allow your system to download that app. Then select the language. Then click on finish. Automatically, you can find your uh, you can find in search bar. You can find the Power BI desktop like this in your PC. So this is how we need to install Power BI. If you have, I will share this link in description. If you have any queries or any comments, any questions, please comment below so that I can help you. If you really download, if you want to really download the Power BI desktop in your system. And thanks for watching. Subscribe and like my video. Thanks.